We're gonna make Indian bread rolls with no oil and air fryer. So let's roll in the. This is grated potato and all the dry ingredients over here. And then first we're gonna cut the corners of the bread, just like this. Okay, now we made these balls with the all the ingredients, and now we're gonna get the bread and dip the sides with water to make them fold easily. Okay, now we're gonna put the bread, the ingredients in the middle of it, and then we're just gonna roll them up like this, and then the water will help fold them. We're gonna fold the sides and fold the top. Yeah. Yep. And now we're done for this step. So now you can make the rest. So now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. We're gonna turn it on, put it on the air fryer, and turn the temperature to 350 degrees, and then time to 3 minutes for the preheat. And now we're done for this part. So click start. And we're gonna put the bread rolls inside of the hatch. And now we're just gonna put oil so make sure it doesn't stick to the plate on the bottom. And then turn it on, put it on air fryer, put the temp on 350 degrees. I'm gonna put it on 15 minutes, but after 10 minutes, at 5 minutes left, we're gonna take it out and roll them. Okay, now it's 15 minutes, and just click start. Now it's 5 minutes left. So now, I think they're already done, but if you want them more crispy, you can put them in more time, but for us, they're already done. So here are your bread rolls, no oil, and pretty easy to make and very tasty. Bye.